Hello everyone. How are my little champs doing in this quarantine period? I hope that you all are making the most of the time. Today I am going to teach you a new topic called picture composition, in which we will learn how we can frame sentences while observing the picture carefully. We already know about it, that every picture tells about it. Every picture speaks. So today we will learn the language of picture. What a picture depicts. What picture tells us. So let's get started. First of all, what a picture composition is. A picture composition consists of writing sentence based on given picture. Means after observing picture, the meaningful sentences that we are writing is called picture composition. Okay, so let's see how to write a picture composition. For this, carefully observe the picture. Firstly, what we have to do? We have to observe the given picture carefully. Alright? And what will be the second step? After observing the picture carefully, the next step will be observe the things or actions. The things or actions which you can see in the picture, we have to observe them. Alright? And after that, ask questions and note down the answers or observation to these questions. हमें अपने आप से questions पूछने हैं and afterwards we have to write down answers for those questions. Arrange the observation as points in logical orders. Then write meaningful sentences to form a composition and afterwards write a title to the composition based upon the main theme of the picture. Understand? For this we have to, for understand it better, let's observe a picture which is given to you. What we are going to do? We are going to ask certain questions about this picture and answers. Then we have to answer the questions. So first question will be, what is this picture of? This picture is of park where children are having fun. So children are doing fun here. What is happening in the picture? The children are playing in the park. Next question, how many children are there in the park? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. What are Rohit and Sheenu doing? See, here children are given to you. You can select random names for the children. It's up to you. You can use word children over here or any name of your friends. आप अपना name भी ले सकते हो उसकी place पर. अपने siblings का name भी use कर सकते हो. So I am using here Rohit and Sheenu. Rohit and Sheenu are playing on the tree. What is Granny doing? Granny is telling a story to Nina. Nina is a little girl sitting next to Granny. Okay. What is Puppy doing? Puppy is playing with Aman and Richa. Yes? So these kind of questions we can frame and then we have noted down answers which we observed from the picture. Afterwards, what we can do? हम इसके बाद क्या कर सकते हैं? We have to arrange all these answers into a logical way. See, कैसे उनको logically हम frame कर सकते हैं? For this, look at the picture once again. So we have counted the children, Granny is sitting, one puppy is there, all the children are playing and we have given random name also. So here is the picture composition. This is a picture of park. There are 6 children at the park. They are having fun out there. They are playing around. Rohit and Sheenu are friends. They are climbing on the tree. They are playing on it. Nina has come to the park with her granny and cousin Chintu. Granny is telling her a story sitting on the bench. Chintu is standing behind them. Aman and Richa are playing with the puppy. Richa is riding on her two-wheeler scooter. And it's a beautiful scene of the park. So see children. So children, here we will talk about theme. From the given picture, what do you think? What will be the suitable theme for this picture? You can say fun in the park. We can use this word as this sentence or this theme to this picture. Are you okay with this? Fun in the park. So according to me, theme will be fun in the park. All right, so let's recall now what we did and we learned today about picture composition. So here, first sentence is that a picture composition is an exercise where you describe a picture by writing meaningful sentence about it. And second is a picture composition consists of writing few meaningful sentences or paragraph about the given picture. And then before you begin writing a composition, observe the picture carefully, then you can ask questions and write the answer as point in logical order. All right, and afterwards write a title to the composition based upon the main theme of the picture. So children, this was all about picture composition. I hope you understand it. And now one message for all of you, that stay at home, stay safe. All right, so this is your new topic, picture composition. Now we will meet you soon in new video. Till the time, bye bye. Stay safe, stay happy.